Hey, welcome back Bellaras. Today I have an exciting recipe for a DIY body scrub that you're going to love. This scrub is perfect for exfoliating your skin, fading dark spots on areas like armpits, elbows, and knees, and even tackling strawberry legs. Let's get started. Into a bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of hibiscus powder. This is packed with natural acids and antioxidants to brighten and rejuvenate your skin. 1 tablespoon of sugar, it's a gentle exfoliant that helps remove dead skin cells. 1 tablespoon of rice powder, which evens out skin tone and gives your skin a smooth texture. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, this is a natural moisturizer that nourishes and softens your skin. And a little bit of your favorite shower gel to give the scrub a luxurious, creamy texture that's easy to apply. Mix everything together until it looks like this, a vibrant, smooth scrub that's ready to work its magic onto your skin. To use this scrub, start by wetting your skin with warm water. Then, take a generous amount of the scrub and gently massage it into your skin in circular motion. Pay extra attention to areas like your knees, elbows, armpits, or any spot that needs extra care. Massage for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse off with lukewarm water. You'll instantly notice how soft and smooth your skin feels. For best results, I recommend using this scrub 2 to 3 times a week. Over time, you'll notice brighter, more even-toned skin and reduced appearance of dark spots and rough patches. If you enjoyed this DIY scrub, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!